guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So I am dropping a new product. I'm just gonna jump right into it. But before I actually show you the product, I do want to just kind of give a little backstory in case you are a new subscriber or maybe you just haven't been on YouTube and been watching my videos. But back in July of 2021, I did drop and launch my first ever hair care product and brand, which is Goddess Curls. It is obviously an extension of Hazel Goddess. But yeah, I launched with my first product, which is a hair oil, and it is the Divine Hair Elixir, which we have right here. So I launched with this. Now, keep in mind, y'all, all of my products are coconut oil free, okay? I know a lot of people are sensitive to coconut oil, and I find that a lot of naturals just don't even like coconut oil in their products. So it's coconut oil free. Then I dropped the body collection, and this just consists of our Radiant Body Elixir. So this is a body oil, and you can get it in just like no fragrance, or you can get the vanilla cashmere, which is my favorite. It smells so good and it pairs well with pretty much everything. So we have this. Now, most recently, I launched the Enchanting Moisture Cream. This is like your one and done cream that will give you moisture, it will give you definition, and it will give you hold for your styles. Any natural style you can think of, this will work. So we have this, but now I have added another addition. Now on to the new product, and this is our new addition. It is the Ravishing Leave-In Detangler. Now essentially this is a leave-in conditioner, but it is meant to not only moisturize, soften your curls, but it is going to help detangle. It's going to melt away those tangles, those knots. So this is what it looks like. Comes in an 8 fluid ounce bottle. Now I will say, I thought I ordered the bottles with the pump because I just feel like pumps are a bit easier to use, but unfortunately I got the caps and I didn't feel like going through the hassle of trying to get, send it back and then get the pumps and whatever else. So we're just going to keep it how it is for right now, but once I sell out of these and hear you guys' feedback and things, I may just go ahead and order a new batch with the pumps. But this product is not super thick, so it's not going to be super hard to do this and squeeze it on out, I promise. So yeah, Ravishing Leave-In Detangler. Now some of the key ingredients in this are aloe vera juice as well, also has the shea butter, but this has black castor oil. I know you guys really love the fruity citrusy scent that not all the products, but the Enchanting Moisture Cream had, and so this also has that same scent. It smells so good, you guys. It's not super thick, but it's also not entirely light. The consistency is very similar to the Enchanting Cream. Now there are two main ways that you can use the Ravishing Leave-In Detangler, and I have all the information on the back, how to use it, ingredients, and all that good stuff. But yeah, the first way is as a pre-poo or pre-detangler. So you would use a nice generous amount of this on wet or damp hair before you shampoo or condition. It is going to give your hair slip. It's going to get rid of those knots and tangles so that when you go and shampoo and condition your hair is going to be left with some type of moisture so that it's not completely dried out and stripped once you begin washing and stuff. And it's going to cut down on your wash day because you already detangled. So yeah, then, or I didn't mention, but after you put this in, detangle your hair, you can immediately rinse, or you can leave it on for 15 to 30 minutes to really like get up in there and soften and penetrate and etc. It's all up to you, but I've been doing that for a while now. Now that my hair is longer now, I have found that my hair is drier and it gets so much more tangled, you guys. So the days of not pre-pooing before I shampoo, or at least detangling, yeah, I cannot get away with that anymore. It was fun while it lasted, but yeah, this has been a lifesaver. Now, the second way is obviously as a leave-in detangler. So after you shampoo and condition, you would use this onto your hair basically as a base. Leave-in conditioners, detanglers are basically the base that set your foundation for moisture. So apply this obviously into sections, and you can rake it, you can use your comb, whatever you prefer, and then you would go on to your actual styler, whether that's a cream, whether that's mousse, whether that's a gel. But I definitely recommend you to pair this bad boy with the Enchanting moisture cream. Now, this is definitely a one and done product, but you cannot go wrong with ultimate moisture. Double the moisture, you guys. So this, with this on top, I promise your hair is going to be so soft. So I was going to actually redo my hair and film it for you guys, because I was waiting for these freaking labels to come. And so I didn't get to actually film my wash day because I didn't want to film it without the label. So once this twist out gets old, which I used for these, this is a fifth day twist out. This looks amazing, okay? And I have not done anything at night. I've just literally been sleeping like this on my pillow. So y'all know I typically I'll sleep on my side, or sometimes I'll lay on my back, on the back of my hair. So I don't know how that's looking. I'm not sure if that's looking up to par, but the front is looking good. It still feels pretty good. So I'm just gonna rock this out until Sunday and then re-wash. It could probably last way longer than that, but I just want to wash it. Once I do that, I will actually film a wash day using all of my products, including this new one, so you guys can really see it in action, because I know y'all like to see the process, the curls, the clumpage, and all that good stuff, but just take my word for it. So yeah, I don't want to make this video much longer than it already is. I feel like I'm rambling a little bit. I'm sorry about that, but I just had to get all the information in this video. Yeah, you can check out this new product. It's available right now. If you're watching this, it is available. You can go to www.goddessscurls.com. It has 3 S's. It'll be on the screen. Make sure you guys use a discount code. You can use code SAVE10 at checkout for 10% off. And yeah, y'all, I do have free shipping over $50. So if you want to save money on shipping, just, you know, add some products to your cart. But yeah, I'm super excited for this. I know you guys are going to love it. I feel like now you guys are probably just waiting on the shampoo, conditioner, maybe even a deep conditioner. I'm still working out the shampoo and conditioner. The testing phase is super important, you guys, because you might use a product and think you love it, and then after testing it's like, hold up, this could use more moisture, this could use more slip. And so that's kind of what happened with me. So I'm still trying to test things out, because I only want to bring you guys good products. Anything that I bring to you guys has been tried, tested multiple times, and I know for a fact that it works amazing. So yeah, y'all, let me know your guys' thoughts. Let me know if you guys will be supporting. Make sure you are following Goddess Curls Instagram. I'll have it on the screen as well. But yeah, just stay tuned for some more videos, some more giveaways, and yeah, that's it. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video. you.